Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change alarm sound on OnePlus 9. So as you see, I already have the OnePlus 9 in my hand, and all I'm gonna do is just look for the clock app, click the clock app, and once you want to do, just click the plus button, the big plus button, and you will see ringtones and sounds and vibration. Then you click in it and click vibration. You can check the vibration effect, or you can change the sounds by clicking classic themes, and then you can just choose whatever you would like. And if you want, you can do this or custom one. And then that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.